So you're gonna go first, and then afterwards, me and you are.
Oh no, me I scrap everything with you. Eh?
I'm coming.
You are the wagon?
I'm coming.
You're coming where? With who? How?
With who knows? With the two of you guys.
What's up everybody? You're done with Super College TV and we're back with a brand new video. So in today's video, as I guess by the title, I'm gonna try to do a prank on my girlfriend. Well, not try, but I'm gonna do a prank on my girlfriend. It's not the best time to do the prank, seeing that the prank is all about Valentine's, and Valentine is like, depends on when you see the video, is either it's in 2 days or tomorrow. So as you can see by the title, I'm gonna tell her, I'm gonna call her and tell her, I say, may I go accompany my ex to a Valentine's Day party on Sunday, so me now get to do whatever we did have plans or we have planned to do on Sunday. So me know I kinda cringy-ish, but I mean, and as me say, another the best time for me to do the prank right now, seeing that I kinda I look at trust, but the trust is good. I look at trust is there between she and me, where nothing like that, but I'm gonna just see her reaction to the whole thing and see if she, I'm gonna see her reaction. So I'm gonna call her now and tell her, I say, my ex called me and accompany her to our Valentine's Day party Sunday, so whatever we would have planned, we're not get to do it. And I see her reaction. I mean, me know for sure she not really go all crazy and shit, but a prank is a prank, a video is a video. Let's get it. And before she answer, like, share, subscribe, comment, and let's hope I still have a Valentine. So, hello?
Good afternoon.
Hi, Gabby.
Hi, who am I talking with?
Kadesh. Like you know me, guys.
What
Wagon. Why? Hold on there. Why the baby is turning alarm now? You hear me, right? Alright, so I have something I want to talk to you about, but I don't want you to get upset, but just see with it. I don't know if you can see on the whole thing when I try to tell you without getting upset.
Oh, what no, it depends.
Alright, so alright, hold on. I call her back in like 2 seconds because I'm not sure if the brother here knows the alarm go off, so I call him and tell him the alarm go off and then call her back. Alright, so we do that just to see what kind of mood she in. So all that shit at work. So it's a good day, time to spoil your day. Let's get it. So hold on. Yeah, so what may I say? So remember, so you know, so we have a couple things planned for Sunday, right? What me and know about. Alright, so yesterday me ex call and like she before we start talk like in this December thing, like before we start talk in like November, from like long time we did plan say we have to find one Valentine's Day party if we go, like the Valentine brunch thing if we go over here before last year.
Okay.
And then by November we kind of split up, so we never say we never think about that. So she called me and she asked if we could accompany her to the brunch thing, the Valentine brunch thing Sunday. So me that thing say
Hold on, I'm gonna cut you. Question. You know that you're talking to somebody else?
Huh?
You know that you're talking to somebody else?
Yeah, well she never know, but me tell her.
And what she said after that?
Oh, she said she basically said she not care, but I mean I don't know big. I just a couple hours brunch thing, so I ain't no big drama if you say yo, ooh, me.
So So you go cook first, and then afterwards, me and you are.
Oh no, me I scrap everything with you.
Oh God. We just say when I'm gonna hear it.
So I mean, I share pay for everything. Huh?
Hello. Go back home where we say when I go. Now repeat myself from where you repeat yourself as well. You say, I have to say, what if you ever go with her afterwards? Tell me where you say when I go.
Me I go scrap everything with you for the day until and push back everything with you for to a different date, and then we just go there. To a different date, probably down in a week or something. I don't know.
But I don't want to get upset because
You can't get upset. I'm telling you, I know no big, I just something small. I mean, I just a one party. I share pay for everything.
You're not talking anymore. You're not supposed to put out effort here anymore.
I mean, me not put I share put out all the effort. I share in car. She get her driver, she pay for entry fee.
Oh.
So
She don't have a
huh?
She don't have a partner.
Oh no, she not get back in a relationship yet. And plus me still want like a closure. Me still want like a closure between relationships. So
what is going on here?
Kinda good time and thing and
So
thing.
if you did if you did know you did want closure now, or just why you start something else, and then you plan something now, and you are come down for her.
Well, me I come down for you, but me just cut your time short to spend a day with she.
Excuse me?
Gabby, just understand the situation. Understand.
Wait, put yourself in my shoes. Suppose me this tell us, oh, my ex-boyfriend.
Oh yeah. No, that's a different thing. That's a different thing. You can't do that.
How is it different? Is that what?
You can't do that.
Yeah, boy.
That just.
Alright, you know, serious. You're gonna do that, you're gonna do
Gabby, yeah.
Very Kadish.
Gabby, you can't call back your man. Your ex.
How she come about all of a sudden?
You know, she
When I text, when I must have communicate because where are my words? My words are going away.
Yeah, we are your words.
What?
No, it's not. No, may I listen to you?
Kadish, you're not text or something for how long? Because you can't just talk about the things that I'm saying. You whatever, one fun and day today, and you be a career and one or whatever. And you are the next one too. You just make decision behind my back and not even come to me and say, can I go? And not even can I go? Not even.
You don't come from planet Earth.
None of that neither. But you tell me like yeah, go and nothing. You can't say nothing to stop you.
Exactly. Me not say you can't. Me not say you can't stop me, but I say, I mean, and decision what me is supposed to make. If I just me and her, so if me want to go me, if me don't want to go me. So. Yeah, we can talk to her for the day, and then we good after.
Talk to her for the day, Kadish. Don't do that. You're going to be upset right now.
Gabby, let's.
You can, if you want to talk to her for the day, then fine. You can talk to her for the day, and then talk to her for the next day, and the day after that, and the day after that, and the day after that. Just continue to talk to her. Don't want to talk to me again.
So because I want to go one party, yeah, you're gonna make.
It is not a one party. It is after you come by it and invite to the party. If it is like a Reza invite you or whoever,
Reza?
you know you could have go, but.
Gabby?
I don't do that.
So yes,
don't work like that in my book.
So yes, so you now go why you behave like this? You know, say if I did you would make a go on though. Well, not with a man, but you know, if you the call and say yo, your girlfriend them want you want to go somewhere, so me I go do whatever we do Monday. Me wouldn't front. Cause your girlfriend, because your friend them did it before me. So if you did done, you say if you and your girlfriend them did, and your friend them did done plan from like before me I start talk, say yo, look, there I go on, and then me come and play. Me wouldn't probably if I say yo me I go drop everything till Monday and then go with them. Me wouldn't drama that's something to see why I make it a whole big deal. Me don't want to get upset by your work, you know, but I mean
that's basically what you're doing. Because we are going to make no sense.
Una persona me no.
My girlfriend didn't call me and say, on a day like that, I don't like this on regular days, it's a Monday or Tuesday. It is Valentine's Day, that particular day, and it has a meaning. So, nobody not gonna call me for the day that they go out with them. After me not talk to girls, me and you are talking, me and you go out. And look at it, you know, it's that particular day she wants you and her go. So party never keep before that for you and her to go.
It's a Valentine's Day party brunch.
Brunch.
Yeah. So
when I'm coming then.
Eh?
I'm coming.
You the wagon?
I'm coming.
You're coming where? With who? How?
With who no? With the two of you guys coming. To tell her to make space for one more.
Oh, Jaja.
Being like, you know, I just said it shouldn't be a problem to either one of you, right? Because you said you guys are friends now. She just invited you to the party. That's right?
Alright, so it's say you come, right?
Pardon me?
I know why you're behind me still, so I say you can always stay home.
What?
They say I know why you're behind me, because I know why you watch all the thing and catch your feelings after, so just stay, you know? Monday we do something.
You hear yourself?
Here one. If you here one, may I go with her? I'm gonna prefer. Hold on. Most time I talk to her about this hang up phone thing, say me no work with this hang up phone thing. You know, I mean, you see, she not get upset, but you can see say, already a spoil. What no worry, me I can left now for go see her, so I'll make it up. Me I can make it up to her. She not have to be a big. Why are you? Gabby! How much time I talked about this hang up phone thing? Why you have a phone for me? Gabs.
Do it.
So me I go with her and then Monday me I do something, right?
Which side you sleep on last night?
Huh?
Which side you bed and sleep on last night?
Which one am I left on? I think I'm right side. Yeah, I think I'm right side.
You should have tried. It not look like you wake up on the right side this morning, that's all. Because we are talking right now. Look here.
Alright, Gabby, we can tell her something.
What is it, Kalish?
It's a prank still, you know, we can still do away this Sunday.
What?
No, I mean that's it's a little prank still, you know, yeah, drop a voice and like get all your feelings and things. You can't just calm down.
I'm working there, my Kalish. I'm working there. I'm come upstairs and now you're coming just full school. Goodbye.
Wait, so me still get the thing later?
No. Nothing at all.
Gabby, me I left on center and me can't get it.
Take your prank go one side.
So me not get nothing later.
You're on your prank go one side.
So me not get nothing later.
Bye.
Yes, I know.
And that is if I plan on taking your back.
What?
That is if I plan on taking your back.
Gabby?
For an ending, yeah.
Go. I'll see you later. May I come over later, yeah?
I want to see you because you're wrong too much.
Alright, me just go out then. Simple. Bye-bye.
What?
Yeah, have it. Probably me not have no Valentine for Sunday, but a prank is a prank and that is that. So what else is there? But anyway, so everybody enjoy the video. Shouldn't get that upset. Me I sweat as you can see me I sweat. Me I sweat because me notice here, so any little thing can trigger her off, so me not to push nothing, but I mean this small, this soft, there's more to come. This soft, this well soft, but anyways, remember like, share, subscribe, comment, and I should say me I left center now if you go come up. I send catching free link off Sunday and thing. So me have a long journey ahead of me over time now. It is now 2:05 and me have a probably an hour drive to go where I'm going. So remember like, share, subscribe, comment, and let's get it. Let's see you all on Sunday for the big day. We still have nothing planned.
Them can't stop a star from shine.